I'm Jeremy Peterson with Boxlight. We're here at ISTE 2011 and we're launching our new ProjectoWrite 3 projector. It's the third generation interactive projector we have. Cool thing about this one is it's twice as fast as the ProjectoWrite 2. And actually right now I'm just in mouse mode, as you can see, with just a simple USB connection, 1.0 or above. We can click right here and go into our quick 4-point calibration. So we click on these 4 points, it's going to take about 8 seconds, and now we're going to be accurate to within 3 pixels, which is a jump up from being accurate to within the 6 to 10 pixels that we were with the ProjectoWrite 2. So right now with just our SP3 driver, this little green link right here, we are in mouse mode. Any annotation software, any internet program, anything you want to use on your PC, you can now use right here at the screen. And I'm going to bring up our included annotation software, which is all free, available to download online. You see here we've got a few different preset marker choices and a highlighter. You can go ahead and you can go ahead and we can highlight key points. We can erase all with that. If we bring up the whiteboard mode that's included, just a blank slate to work with, we can go ahead and we can annotate over this, say hello. You can also, it's really hard to make this thing miss a beat. I can try to write as fast as I can and can't really miss. The accuracy is just greatly improved compared to the last unit, so if we take it and I just want to put a dot, the dot shows up where I want it. There's some included shape tools. So your preset shapes, there's a circle, a couple different triangles, a square and a line. If we go ahead and erase all those, there's also a few different backgrounds included with the whiteboard mode. So we can go ahead and now you have your lined paper that we're going to write with. If we go ahead, grab the red pen, come over here. Alright, Boxlight, and you can see that I'm not really missing a beat and I'm within my lines just like I need to be most of the time. It's all based kind of on the presenter. You can go ahead, get rid of the lined paper, we can get rid of whiteboard mode, the annotations stay. Included with it and working with Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Microsoft Office, we can go ahead, hide our toolbar. Down here we can turn on a PowerPoint tool setting. Bring up PowerPoint. And within our PowerPoint we'll be able to annotate live within the PowerPoint. Slideshow from the beginning. So now if you'll see, these are included tools with Microsoft Ink in 2007 and above. So I can now annotate and circle. Go to my next slide. Circle over here. 2010, it was one of also the top 5 products at Infocom, which now we've gone to this ProjectoWrite 3, which is levels and levels above. This was a 30 frame per second camera. The unit we're using now is a 60 frame per second camera. And when you hook it up to the PC, instead of recognizing it as a webcam, it recognizes it as an HID device. Really cool setup, quick and easy. But along with these annotation features, if I go ahead, go to the next slide, they're going to be back at that slide, and when I exit, if you want to keep your annotations, you can go ahead and hit keep and it'll save the file over your existing PowerPoint that you're working with. If we draw a couple more shapes, there's a couple other extra tools we can grab it with here. Move this stuff around, enlarge it. There's also a save a screenshot mode, and it'll also print. So we click there, it'll send a quick print link to your attached printer and print a screenshot of it. Utilizing the HID technology, the PC, Windows Vista or Windows 7, recognizes it as a tablet PC. So we get to use their handwriting recognition tools also along with their on-screen keyboard. So if you see, with handwriting recognition, we can go ahead and insert any text that we wrote with our hand, or we can also go ahead and bring up the on-screen keyboard within Windows. And we can just use that to go ahead and write. And if you'll notice, the response time is just, it's right on. When you touch the board with a pressure-sensitive pen, it recognizes it, and that's a mouse click, just like you'd be using your left mouse button on your PC. It also ships with a telescoping wand, which go ahead, lets you get a little more out of the way, and you can use that to do everything we were doing with the pen. go ahead, we take the wand, we can annotate, draw around, and we can also do all the same functions we were just doing. I can go ahead and clear this out. And we'll actually get into mouse mode, we'll hide our toolbar, get out of here, and we're just back at our desktop and using this just as a mouse as we did the pen.